Now to clean the air filter, remove the rear bonnet. You can locate the air filter here. Remove these two clips. And these three bolts here. Clean it up well and reinsert it. After cleaning this up well, add engine oil top of this. And reinsert it again. Make sure it fits well. The next thing is to remove the spark plug. Remove the noise suppressor cap. Insert the plug holder. Use 15 size ring spanner. And remove the spark plug. Clean this tips neatly. I have cleaned it up well using wire mesh and petrol. Initially hand tighten it and then use spark plug holder. When you feel it has tightened up, use the spark plug holder. Do not over tighten it. Insert the noise suppressor cap. Finally insert the seat and tighten up the bolts. So the general service of this moped has been completed. So it is again ready to clock 2500 to 3000 km. Hope so you all like the video. Share to your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.